Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have a fix for Firefox that has been released. So there's a little update. So if you go into Firefox and go into the upper right hamburger menu, go down to Help and go to About Firefox, you will be updated to version 138.0.3. So there was already a few bug fixes that were done 2 weeks ago where the browser went to 138.0.1. Now they are actually fixing some more problems here. One of them is a crash that could occur if you're viewing websites that use WebGL. The one is in Linux, where video playback could appear kind of washed out on certain displays with HDR support when it's unavailable. They fixed a find in page toolbar that did not toggle checkboxes correctly when you were using a shortcut. And they finally fixed an issue where the browser could repeatedly crash when certain SVG effects, for example, if you had blur or drop shadows or different visual effects, basically, were applied to some areas of the screen, that would make the browser crash. So two of them are actually making the browser crash. So if you were having problems, if you were wondering why your Firefox browser was actually crashing all the time, well, it's probably due to the fact that there were these little bugs. So check it out. It updates to version 138.0.3. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.